Hi guys, it's Maddy here, and it's really storming, it's really bad outside. Oh my god. Dude, there was just a freaking really big boom. Dude, it was louder than I ever heard before. But I really hope I do go to school tomorrow, because it's like the only place that actually has shelter. So, and I'm really tired, and it's nighttime, and it's pouring down rain. I just had my hair in my mouth. So, I'm just telling you that there's a big tornado coming on by my house. I keep getting my hair in my mouth. Ew. So, bye.